Hello everyone, I am Hema Sati Sharma, TGT Science from Pratap World School, Pathankot. Students, we are going to discuss the chapter Weather, Climate and Adaptation of Animals to Climate for class 7. First of all, we should know what is weather. So, weather of a place can be defined as the measure of its daily atmospheric conditions. What are these atmospheric conditions? These atmospheric conditions are humidity, temperature, lightning events, rainfall, storms, snow and so on. So these are the atmospheric conditions which changes from day to day basis, or sometimes they changes within a day also. Or we can say weather is the short time atmospheric conditions at a particular place and time with respect to temperature, relative humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. So, from this definition, we can conclude that weather of a place can be changed from day to day, or weather of a place changes daily. Sometimes it can change within a day also. For example, in the morning there can be sun, and in the evening we can have rain also. So we can say that weather of that place is changing. So we can infer that weather is not constant, it keeps changing, and it keeps changing with respect to what conditions does change. So we say that weather has changed. So these conditions, or the change in conditions called humidity, temperature, etc., weather also changes. So we can say that weather is sunny today, or we can say weather is cloudy, or it is partly cloudy, or it is very hot, it is warm, weather is cold, today weather is windy, it is breezy, or it is rainy. So these are all weathers. What are the different elements of weather? So different elements of weather on which weather is dependent, or weather changes because of the change in these elements. So different elements of weather are rainfall, temperature, humidity, wind speed, etc. So we can say that if there is a change in the pattern of rainfall, temperature, humidity, wind speed within a day or on day-to-day basis at a particular place, weather will be changed. Hence, rainfall, temperature, humidity, wind speeds are different elements of weather. Now, from this discussion, we can infer that weather of a place is never constant. That means it keeps changing. So, it can alter every day, or it can alter even every hour. For instance, the weather might be sunny in the morning in an area, but rainy in the evening. You must have also observed that during morning it was sunny and afternoon suddenly it rained. So what is there? There is a change in weather. And how the change in weather has happened? Because there is change in the condition of humidity or wind speed. Now, a weather report generally contains the information about the weather of the day. You must have read weather reports in newspapers, or you must have heard weather report in the news channels. So this weather report tells us that how will be the weather today, or how was the weather today. The government has a special department which is called meteorological department, and it predicts the weather of a place and prepare the weather report. So whatever weather report we are gathering in for the future is collected or is prepared by meteorological department, which every government has. Now, Government of India has a central meteorological department which is centrally located, and it has various meteorological departments at various states also. Now, what is meteorology? Meteorology is the scientific study of the atmosphere that focuses on weather processes and forecasting. So, meteorology is the study, or it is the science which deals with processes of weather and the forecasting of weather, or we can say the science of the study of weather is called meteorology. So this is the symbol of Indian Meteorological Department, and this is how meteorologists, which are the scientists which study meteorology, works. What are meteorologists? As I said, scientists who study and work in the field of meteorology are called meteorologists. They study the Earth's atmosphere and the interaction of Earth atmosphere with the Earth surface, the study of Earth atmosphere and its interaction with the ocean, and the interaction of Earth atmosphere with biosphere. So meteorologists are studying three things, or rather four things. So first things they are studying is Earth's atmosphere. Secondly, they are studying interaction between Earth atmosphere and Earth surface. Thirdly, they are studying Earth atmosphere and its interaction with oceans, Earth atmosphere and its interaction with the biosphere. The professionals who study, records and predict weather are known as meteorologists. So this is how meteorologists work. Now weather forecast we will be dealing in our next lecture. Thank you so much.